woke up for school too late. That lucky bastard has no job. He gets to sleeping all damn day. Yo, what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm showing y'all how to sound like BUNII. Now if you haven't heard of BUNII, I don't know what rock you've been under, bruh. This indie artist has been blowing up lately. He just signed to Warner not too long ago. I don't know how many monthly listeners he's at right now, but I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. It's probably a lot. And yeah, I remember meeting this guy in my Discord server about 2 years ago, when all I knew about him was that he was a producer for my friend Quincy, and to see him come this far is just insane. And yeah, if you haven't heard this album Virgilio yet, definitely go listen to it. It is such a good album. It's probably in my top 3 for this year. But yeah, people have been asking me for this BUNII preset for genuinely years now, since Watermelon dropped, and I tried making one back then, but my vocals just weren't good enough. And even now my vocals aren't great, but I think I did it decent enough that it should be fine. And really, I just want to give you guys the preset so you guys that can sing can have a preset to use for your indie music. But yeah, for this video I wanted to do a cover of Crash, but my vocals just could not sound good. And then I heard this song and everyone's been talking about this song, Joey, and yeah, I think I did pretty good on this. But yeah, I've been yapping too much. If you guys haven't heard Joey yet, I'm gonna show you guys a little snippet of the intro, and then I'm gonna show you guys a little snippet of the part where the drums come in, because I made 2 different presets for the 2 different styles of vocals. But yeah, here's the song.
My big brother's off to work, he won't be back anytime soon. He gave me an old guitar before he left this afternoon. Now I'm sitting on the sofa, so unsure of what to do, 'cause I'll miss him being here, although he never left his room.
Okay, and now I'm gonna play a little bit of the part with the drums.
And now I'm rushing out the door, 'cause I woke up for school too late. That lucky bastard has no job, he gets to sleep in all damn day. And I can hear him every night talking to people on his phone. I swear I wanna talk as well, but he's not there when I get home.
Okay, so now that you've heard a little snippet of what BUNII's song actually sounds like, and if you haven't heard it yet, please go listen to that whole song. That whole song is beautiful. I'll have that linked in the description. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn off these presets, and they shouldn't sound too bad because the presets are basically raw, but who knows, maybe it is terrible, I don't know.
My big brother's off to work, he won't be back anytime soon. He gave me
Okay, so that's what it sounds like without the presets, and now I'm going to show you guys with the presets turned on. So this is my BUNII preset.
My big brother's off to work, he won't be back anytime soon. He gave me an old guitar before he left this afternoon. Now I'm sitting on the sofa, so unsure of what to do, 'cause I miss him being here, although he never left his room. It won't be that big of a change, and my routine will stay the same, but now I'm spending half my day just hoping he comes home okay. Out the door, 'cause I woke up for school too late. That lucky bastard has no job, he gets to sleep in all damn day. And I can hear him every night talking to people on his phone. I swear I wanna talk as well, but he's not there when I get home. I'll knock on his bedroom door before I sleep. I hope he hears and says goodnight, but I think he won't, 'cause I can hear him playing guitar and it sounds just right.
So yeah, that's what my BUNII presets sound like. It's nothing crazy like I said before. Like, there's literally nothing here. There's a little tiny bit of auto-tune. He doesn't use any, I don't think. I used a little bit because I can't sing that good. And then I have a noise gate, a compressor, an EQ, another compressor, a de-esser, and a chorus. And then for the latter part, I added a distortion and a transient processor, as well as changing a couple of the settings and obviously making it a little more compressed and a little more loud. But yeah, the presets are pretty simple and they will be free in the Discord. The only preset here that isn't going to be free is this master preset, which for this I did make an all new indie master preset. So if you want that, I'll have that on my website for just $10. And if you want this entire FLP that comes with everything you see on your screen, as well as a template with these presets set up and ready to record in, as well as my indie master preset, and I'll just throw in my other two master presets as well, my best waves master preset and my best stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have waves plugins. I'll have all that on my website for just $15. But if you just want the free vocal presets, that is completely fine. I'll have both of these vocal presets in my Discord. All you have to do is go to the Discord linked in the description, scroll down here to where it says Benevolent Presets, and you should see both of the BUNII presets down here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets, so go get some free presets and make some good music. But yeah, since I made a new master, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like off and on.
My big brother's off to work, he won't be back anytime soon. He gave me an old guitar before he left this afternoon. Now I'm sitting on the sofa, so unsure of what to do, 'cause I miss him being here, although he never left his room.
So yeah, nothing crazy. I tried to make this one a very simple master preset. My other master preset like boosts it crazy and makes it sound really good if you make like underground music. But this is more for indie and I wanted it to be like a soft master. So this is off and on this part that has drums.
Now I'm rushing out the door, 'cause I woke up for school too late. That lucky bastard has no job, he gets to sleep in all damn day. And I can hear him every night talking to people on his phone. I swear I wanna talk as well, but he's not there when I get home.
So yeah, it's a very, very subtle difference. So like I said, if you guys don't want this, it doesn't matter too much. But if you do, it definitely adds a more polished sound to your mix, as well as some subtle EQing, some stereo separation, and just some basic mastering for indie music. But yeah, I don't think I have much more to show you. I do want to go over those auto-tune settings again. I know I opened this earlier, but I didn't really show it. This is in the key of B major. I used a retune speed of 18 and a humanize of 79. You could go even higher with this retune speed. I'm going to keep it at 18, but if you have a better voice, you could go lower, or you could just turn auto-tune off completely. It's totally up to you. Or you could go a lower retune speed if you want a more auto-tune sound for your indie song. I had a lot of auto-tune on my indie song called ALLMINE. I'm not going to show you guys that, but if you want to go listen, I'll have that linked in the description as well. But yeah, just have fun with these presets. That's all I really want. I just want you guys to be able to use these presets to make better music and experiment, because I never thought I'd be able to sound good on an indie song like this. My vocals don't sound terrible. So who knows, maybe I'll start making indie music. I definitely do not have the voice for it, but we'll see. But yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.
Tell me where you are, my